Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to set up hacking lab. It means when we are doing the hacking, it means the experiments we are doing in the experiments on the application or the operating system or the different uh, different types of device. So for that we need for the basic level we have to install the virtual box. Then in that virtual box we have to install some operating systems to do attacks on the different operating systems. We need some operating systems. For that we are going to install one application called virtualbox in our desktop environment, and in that we are going to install multiple operating system. Let's see what are the operating systems I have. Kali Linux, it's running, and Windows 10, and Metasploitable 2, and Windows the experimental one. So these are the operating systems in my VirtualBox I install. I do different attacks on different operating system to trying to exploit. For the basic level hackers, they need at least this setup to do different attacks on the different operating systems. Then they will uh, uh, they will know whether whether the expert is exploitable or not. For that, I am this is a simple and the basic way to set up a hacking lab. Thank you for watching this video.